What's up, BSG? So, I have to narrate this first clip because my mic went out. So, if your first time here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Also, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm dropping these videos. All right. So, Sleazy Garage sent me 2 stickers for my toolbox, and I appreciate that. I am going to send him 2 of my logo stickers back. So be on the lookout for those stickers. They're sleazy. They're on the way. Now, I would like to show my appreciation to the people, well, the couple of channels that always comment on every one of my videos, no matter what. They comment on my videos or share my videos. The 89 Garage, 306 FoxBody, Big Stick Stings, Queen Bee, and my brother. For you guys to reach out to me, hey, hit me up on my Instagram so I can push out some stickers to you guys so they'll be on the way. Also, I want to say I truly appreciate y'all support, and just know that I will always, always, always support y'all channels. All right. So, with all that being said, let's get on with the video. All right, you guys. So, also, I'd like to send a shout out to that Ninja Mikey. I couldn't get on your Instagram, so send me an invite, and then I'll hit you back up. All right. What else? What else? I think that's it, man. So I know I said I got saran wrap over my camera, so hopefully it's showing good. We're gonna do the doors, but we're also gonna do the doggone engine bay over part of it anyway. We don't have a lot to do here. We just got to do this front part here. We're gonna redo that. All right. I gotta get, man, I'm dying, man. I'm dying to see what this thing looking like, man. So I gotta get some stuff done. And it done got cold again down here. So we're gonna do what it do. I got my heat lamp going, so I'm gonna cut it off when I'm painting because I don't know if that thing might paint vapors or whatever might catch hold to it and it might want to blow up. I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna cut it off then. And then I turn it back on while it's drying. But I know I said I wasn't gonna wet sand, but I think I have to. I'm going to wet sand that whole car. I'm not going to even show y'all when I wet sand that whole car. I'm not going to do it. What I'm going to do though, when I go to paint that car, that's when you guys will see what's going on. But we're going to start off with the 220 and then I'm going to go to 400. All right. Along with our mirrors. I did a little paint on the inside of these things here. You know, so yeah. Like I said, this is my first time painting a car, so it's amazing what you can do with a paint can. But when you come to that gun, man, and mixing paint and getting the air right and all that stuff, man, it's a different animal. But we're gonna get to it though. We're gonna soak these in this water right quick, and we're gonna go from there. Yes, sir. Time to see what some paint gonna look like on this thing. I don't know if I should be painting the doors yet. Well, I'm gonna paint the doors anyway outside the car, and probably about next week I'll paint that car. I just gotta get in here and get to wet sanding that thing because it's been hard lately because of work, but we're gonna make it happen. All right, so now it's time to do some wax and grease remover. And then I'm gonna do, probably gonna do some Bully Dog adhesion promoter to help paint stick to this, which I'm probably gonna do to that too. So I'm gonna get to that. Next thing you guys gonna see is we're gonna start painting. Well, guys, so we had a fail. And I'm going to show you guys why. As you can see here, we had a reaction. And my body work is crap. See scratches? Still see scratches here. And when I did my when I did the car, the engine bay, I didn't wet sand it or nothing like that. I primed it and that was it, and it came out good. And I also didn't use no what they call that crap, degreaser to remove stuff. Let me see here, man. Oh Lord, I didn't use none of this grease and wax remover. I didn't use none of that stuff, and I didn't have this. Engine bay is messed up too. This one here is the only one that turned out pretty good, but I still don't like it, so I'm gonna have to strip it back down and work with it. All right, so let's go over here. You see right here, we had a fail. Look at that mess I made right there. We had a fail. Look at that. Another reaction over here. And you know what I did here? I doggone previously painted this stuff here. And I guess it's reacting to the paint that was up on there. But I scuffed everything, so I don't understand why. There was no paint here. So I don't understand why this is all bubbling. Maybe you guys that paint on a regular basis can get in the comments, man, and let me know what the deal is. But even on my mirrors, man. Mirror. See that? Had a reaction. And I don't know why. So you guys get in the comments, man. Let me know what's going on, man. But I'm calling this a fail. It's good practice though. Before I got to the body, so that means I got to do something different over there. So I think I'm gonna go buy some high build primer, prime that car all over once again. Look at it with a fine tooth comb, then paint it. But guys, get in the comments, man. You painters, please let me know, what am I doing wrong? What have I done wrong? And as far as laying down the paint, I can tell I need to do something different as far as my body work. So that means I didn't get no, when I ran out my high build primer, I didn't get no more high build. I got some other primer, so that is, I'm contributing that to my issue of seeing scratches. And yeah, so like I said, we're gonna call that a fail. Tomorrow, I'm getting my engine turned in to a guy. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. So what I did was, I know I took that other engine apart, but this here is an engine I put together a few years ago that I never ran. It has a stroker kit in it, a 331. So I'm gonna take it to them, have them clean it up, and make sure that everything is good to go in here. Because when it comes, since I'm going twin turbo, I don't want no issues, man. I just want everything to be right. So that means I need to take it to a person that knows what the hell they doing. So I'm about to put this motor into the truck, prepare for our ride for tomorrow, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get that thing there squared away. He said he'd have it done in a week. So everything in this motor here is brand new. Everything. ARP bolts there. Everything in this mug is brand new. From the let me see if I can raise this mug up to show y'all this. Let y'all see that right there. Oh, come on up there. Come on up. Come on up. Piston's brand new, man. Connecting rod's brand new. Everything in this motor is brand new, so we should have us a good one. But like I said, man, it's a fail. I got paint every damn where. And yeah. I'm sorry. Hell, even my video, man, even messed up. So we started off wrong, and no sound and everything. So we're gonna get it together, man. So just stay locked in, man. Come back to the next video. Next one, I'm gonna give this paint thing a rest for a minute. I'm gonna try to get on getting my convertible top done if the weather permits. We're having issues with the weather, so it gets hot, cold. So just bear with me, man, and we're gonna get this done. So like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping videos. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.